So quickly guys, I want to talk about this particular website known as Admefast, and Admefast happens to be a website that helps you grow your social presence. Like if you're an online influencer, you want to start growing on Instagram, you want to start growing on Facebook, you want to start growing on Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn, and the rest of them, even on Quora, Admefast is that option for you. And I'll equally show you how you can take advantage of Admefast even as a freelancer or as someone who wants to start making money online from device means by simply helping people grow their social media presence as well. Okay, so if you come over now to the Admefast website, then you scroll down a little bit, you scroll down again, you're going to see that they are the leaders in the field of social media marketing and promotion. And as a social media manager that want to start making money from social media management by growing social media platform for people, you need a network or you need a system that can actually help you grow this audience for these people or these clients you might be working for as fast as possible. So without wasting much of our time, let me quickly take you over to a website known as Fiverr. Then if you come over to Fiverr now, which happens to be a freelance marketplace where people come and buy services and as well sell services, you can come here to sell what is called talent. If you have a digital skill, that's actually it. Before you can become a freelancer on Fiverr, you must have a digital skill. So if you come over now to Fiverr and search for social media management, okay, let's go with social media manager. Then as soon as you hit on social media manager, it's going to bring you over to a section where you can see people that are rendering a lot of services on social media management and they're already making money from it. Okay, so this one is coming directly from Fiverr. It's not me, it's not a generated figure. As you can see, people are making way around 20 to 80, 150, $200 to just manage social media platform for clients, and they are getting hired even on a daily basis. This one happens to be a level 1 seller on Fiverr. He said, I'll be a professional social media manager for Instagram. Like here now, if you see now, this guy wants to help you grow Instagram audience, and people are already hiring him to grow Instagram audience for them. And you can even grow Instagram audience for people on Admefast, because if you scroll down a little bit now on Admefast, as you see where they say get free Instagram followers and Instagram photo likes. Instagram is one of the shortest and funniest way to share your life events with friends through various pictures. You can take a photo with your mobile phone, choose one of the filters to transform the images into a memory. You can have the pictures around forever. Like these people can actually help you grow Instagram followers and Instagram photo likes. If you can actually grow Instagram followers for yourself on Admefast, you can equally do the same thing for clients on Fiverr. And another amazing thing about Admefast is that you don't even only have to grow Instagram followers, you can even grow Twitter followers, Twitter retweet and likes. You can even grow YouTube views, YouTube likes, and you can even get Facebook like, Facebook followers, Facebook post shares, Facebook share, and Facebook post like. So there are a lot of things you can actually gain on Admefast as a social media promoter or as a social media marketer. You can do a lot of stuff here. You can, promote a lot of social media platforms for either yourself or even for your clients. So let's go back to Fiverr again. As you can see, people are doing way around $150. This one said, I'll be your social media manager, but she's not being specific as to the service you want to render for you, just social media management. Okay, let's quickly open up her gig now and see the services that she actually render and see if it's something we can even do as well with the help or with the use of Admefast. Okay, so as you can see now, this is her gig. Look at how professional her gig is, because before you can actually start selling on Fiverr, let's say you might have discovered Admefast now, that you can grow social media platform for people, and you want to take advantage of that as a freelancer on Fiverr. You actually need to create what is called a gig. After signing up with Fiverr, you have to create a gig. This way you can quickly just hit on join. I've done a video before on how to create a gig on Fiverr. I'll be dropping the video link in this video description below so that you can actually check it out and create a unique and astonishing seller gig for yourself. So take a look at this lady's gig now. It's complete and up to date. So you can check out her gig, how she's charging people, the services she renders, everything, brand specific content, premium designed image, originally written text, suggested hashtag, post link, platform optimization. So she's practically into, social media management and social media platform growth in general. Facebook, okay, platform type. Okay, these are actually the type of platform she help people grow. She help you grow Facebook, she help you grow Instagram, and she equally help you grow TikTok. So these are all of the services you can do with Admefast. You can grow Instagram. I think if you scroll down a little bit again, you'll still find TikTok, I think. Okay, let's scroll up and see where we have TikTok growth. Okay, this one is Facebook now. She's running Facebook services, I think. Okay, let's check. Okay, Facebook and YouTube, Twitter, then Instagram. Okay, here they have TikTok followers. As you can see, take a look at this corner here. They have TikTok followers and TikTok video likes. Okay, so as you can see now, all of the services this lady is rendering here on Fiverr and charging $150 for it. It's something you can do as well. and render those services for clients with the use of Admefast. And Admefast happens to be a free network to join. There's no registration cost. You don't have to pay any money to actually join Admefast, and you can get started on the go without wasting much of our time. So I'm already an active user of Admefast, but before I proceed, don't worry guys, my name is Daniel Anthony. What I do on YouTube is that I teach you how to make money online. I just have to quickly introduce myself. If you want to learn how to make money online completely for free, you need tips and strategies that can help you start building a sustainable stream of income today. This is the best channel to actually find yourself. This is the best place to get the best of ideas, where we have published a lot of make money online tutorial video in time past that you can actually go through and learn from. Guys, to show me appreciation for my kind work, all you just have to do for me is to kindly hit on the subscribe button, hit on the bell notification icon, and hit on all. It is even for your own benefit as well, because you always get notified whenever I publish a brand new make money online tutorial content or video, just like this one you're watching right now. So guys, without as much of a time, let's go back to Admefast. So this is my personal Admefast account. It's very easy to create an Admefast account. It's not as tedious as you think. It's just by hitting register, then you input your email address, your password, then you re-enter password, you hit on I'm not a robot. Maybe it's going to take you over to the section where you can confirm your email address in your email inbox. After hitting on sign up, please make sure you check your email inbox for email confirmation so that your account will be activated. And after you might have created your account, now you have to come over to a section like this. This is my own personal account. As you can see here, another amazing thing about Admefast is that you can even complete tasks to make money. As you can see, I tried it and completed few tasks. What you actually earn here is points, but these points are very minimal that you cannot make a decent amount from it. So I will advise you take advantage of the social media manager growth strategy, which is by creating a gig on Fiverr, like I showed you not quite long, just the way people are already doing it here. Create a gig on Fiverr on social media management. Then as you start getting clients, you need to go and make more research about freelancing or Fiverr freelancing, which I've done several videos about. I'll be dropping those video link in this video description below as well, so that you can check out those videos and understand how to become a freelancer on Fiverr. So guys, let's move on as fast as possible. If you create a gig now and go into social media management, just like this lady here, charging $150 to grow social media platform for people, and what is growing is just Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And who knows if she does it with the help of Admefast? I don't know, and I can't tell. Maybe she makes use of Admefast. So you can actually take advantage of Admefast. It's tested, trusted, and reliable. It has been confirmed like Admefast is a reliable site. So let me take you over now to my own account and show you the reason why I'm telling you that Admefast is a reliable site. If I'm to open up my SimilarWeb, which happens to be a Google Chrome extension tool that helps me analyze the total amount of visitors a website will receive on a monthly basis. As at when I checked Admefast, they were struggling around 558,000 monthly visitors, but right now Admefast have grown as big as 774.4 thousand monthly visitors. Like, they are growing rapidly. People are making use of Admefast when it comes to social media platform growth. So you can do this for clients and make money with it. So as you can see here, they have Facebook page like, Facebook shares, Facebook followers, Facebook post like. Okay, in case you want to purchase any service, let's say a client finally finds you right on Fiverr, and then you want to complete a task right here. All you just have to do, as you can see, type the service you want to buy. You have to come over here that says add site or link. Then you quickly click on it. Then it's going to bring you over to this section. As you can see, they even have an affiliate program that you can join. You can join the affiliate program and switch AMF token and get 250 AMF tokens for each referrals. So here you can actually hit on the type of service you want, be it Facebook page likes or followers. Then as you can see, they have Facebook shares, Facebook post like, Facebook and all of that. You can even do Instagram, you can do TikTok, whichever one you want. Let's say you want to do Facebook page likes and followers. Then you have countries. The countries you want to target your audience from coming. I think it's not specific. Okay, this is worldwide. If you want it to come worldwide, you just tick on worldwide. But if you don't want to make them come worldwide, you can untick it and pick a selected country of your choice, and so on and so forth. But I would advise you keep it worldwide so that you will have audience from random geographical location. Then title for your site and page. You can just pick the title of the site here. Let it be Facebook or Instagram. You can just leave it Facebook. Then the page URL, here's where you have to copy the page URL. That's the page link, the page you want to promote, or the page you want to purchase followers for. You input it here. Then total clicks is off. Okay, this way you have to be knowing if the total amount of clicks that actually came in and all of that. Then you hit on save changes, and that's it. So guys, this one I just have to call it a wrap. Do not forget, the site is Admefast, where you can actually get social media followers, where you can grow social media platform for clients that you might find on Fiverr. And you don't only have to do this on Fiverr. I believe you have friends as well that are into social media growth and all of those stuff, that have social media platforms that they want to grow. As you all know, social media platforms are not paying, so you can get in touch with your friends, your colleague at the workplace, tell them that you can grow their social media platform for them and take advantage of Admefast. So guys, I'll have to call it a wrap here. Until we meet again in my next Make Money Online video, do not forget the name remains Daniel Anthony. I just have to say I love you all, but for now, bye bye and peace.